me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Double doors. Lead the way.
And just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
And then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
CT spawn.
Push me, and
on my chain that say my name so they know me. The holisticity is like around on me since the 80s. I wear a happy hop in the middle. Ice cold with a low brown monster style. Run the wall. Oh yes, I keep the bandit cool with the top. Run the wall. Run the wall.
I'm just trying to say some rest. Popped a couple mollies, now she's gone. Ain't no deep, got a long week and we can't sleep. Ain't messing around with no regular clowns, we all practice what we do. Don't know what the fuck is what it costs, like a boss in a major kryptonite. How we do it, homie? Make the wall. Oh yes, I keep the bank rolling. Like the wall. You know we got it like that. Like the wall. Like the wall. Like the wall. Like the wall. Like a boss, we out and Big Larry got that blind wax. We down in here for the door. Want that beef, bring them patties, which slap it up on the grill. And Big Kryptonite, he got kryptonite. And he quit the light of that steel. That's so real, we on a big deal. Cracking bottles, no big deal. Rubber band, ain't holding up the new deal. Like a boss who boss sitting up out here. Everybody knows that. That's where rap the homeboys get. That's Tony G on it. Guaranteed it knows the name.
can get my satisfaction.
Push me, and then push me, till I can get
T-spawn.
my satisfaction.
Side hall. T-spawn.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can
Lead
get
the way, sir.
my
Lead the way.
Push
T-spawn.
me, and then touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Towns, ice cold with the flow.
Lead the way, sir.
Style, like a ball. Yes, I like a ball. Sipping lean, big paper hoe.
T-spawn.
Like a ball. Lately cool with
Side
the
hall.
got some chocolate. Like a ball. Like a ball. Talk about some double ups, I'll double that in quarterback. Throw them back and hefty out in corporate with the note attached. Homies holding notice straps. I'm just trying to say some raps. Popped a couple mollies, now she's gone. Ain't no coming back. Posted up with my cool deep. Got a long reach and we don't speak. Ain't messing around with no regular clowns. We all practice what we preach. We rollin'. Don't know what the fuck they smoking. As they blowin', they just choking. Turned up, I'm